Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I am Baron von Dirk, and I have a very special unboxing for you. A huge thank you to ASUS ROG for providing me with this to unbox and review. Let's get cracking, shall we? Stylish, flashy, and everything you would expect from this product line. It doesn't hold back for what's inside. The ROG Delta S Wireless is a lightweight, dual connectivity, multi-platform headset. 50mm ASUS drivers, hidden beamforming microphones, and built-in AI noise cancelling technology, compatible with PCs, Macs, PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Basically everything. Its battery charges rapidly thanks to its USB-C power delivery, giving you a 3-hour charge after just 15 minutes, with a total of 25-hour battery life, for nearly 3.5 days of 8 hours each. Mental. The unboxing reveals a small piece of foam and a stark red-on-black logo on the top lid. Beneath that is an embossed and glossy welcome message letting you know just how much work has gone into this product. Under this, the headset, proud and poised to guide your sound. Bold but subtle accents of black and silver and surprisingly lightweight. The plush headband and ear cups feel very soft to the touch. Inside the box, you'll get the headset itself, a USB A to C charging cable, a USB A to C converter for anyone who doesn't have a USB-C in easy reach of charging, the warranty booklet, and quick start guide. The USB dongle is tucked neatly into the right ear cup, held in by magnets. The dongle itself is branded with the ROG I. That can be a little tricky to eject, but you'll get it. The USB adapter is unbranded but full metal and high quality. Very nice. The ear cups are D-shaped for the largest range of fit and comfort. The ROG protein leather ear cups come pre-attached, and the ROG hybrid ear cups are spare, allowing more breathability for those who are a little hot-headed. The large 50mm ASUS Essence drivers are closed back, keeping the sound in and out, immersing you in the audio you enjoy. The sound is rich, crisp, and can be further customized to your liking with the ASUS ROG Armory Crate software. Overall, these have enough punch to rock your world. The left ear cup also holds the USB-C charging port, the connection switch for Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless, multimedia button, and volume rocker. The hidden beamforming microphones with AI Noise Cancellation ensure exceptional voice pickup and reduce 500 million types of background noises for clear in-game communication. Once again, a huge thank you to ASUS for sending me this headset. A full review is coming, so make sure you keep an eye on my YouTube, subscribe, and crack that bell. As part of the ASUS ROG contest that I'm taking part in, I have a few goodies to give away. ASUS have provided a hardback-styled notebook for all the plays, plans, and progress you'll make, an ROG snapback cap, a deck of ROG playing cards, a really nice ASUS ROG lanyard which won't leave your con badges on the floor, and an ASUS ROG t-shirt. To enter, simply head over to my Twitter, link in the description for this video. Retweet it, like the post, and let me know, what is your favorite ROG product? Like, seriously, I want to know. The contest is live from the 7th to the 12th of September 2022 for residents of the UK and Ireland only. Winner will be announced live on my Twitch channel on September the 13th. I hope you can join me there. Enjoy the content? Vote for me on the ASUS ROGPantheon creator pages and check out the other amazing creators all aiming for the finals. Take care, be good, and if you can't do that, be good at it. Stay classy, and I'll see you every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on my Twitch channel.